I'm Max Glanville and I'm the production manager at the Sydney String Centre. Our family business has been going for over 25 years now, and we specialise in all areas relating to violins, violas, cellos and double basses. Our customers range from beginners as young as 3, going up to professionals playing on the world stage. And no matter what level of instrument they're playing, we want them to have the best sound and experience. We currently import instruments from all over the world, which we then finish off by hand here in our workshop with our luthiers. The few elements of this involve cutting a new bridge, sound post, fitting and servicing the pegs and the nut, and then restringing for final playing. And now we're looking at starting our next venture, which is manufacturing a commercial instrument in Australia. And with Dad being a luthier for decades now, I think it was gradually the next step we always wanted to take. And it gives us a lot more control over the products that we're able to sell. Our relationship with Biesse started over 12 months ago, where we came to them with, I guess, a bit of a problem of how do we make a high volume quality product in Australia where labour costs are so high. A part of Biesse's investment in us was to invite us to Italy for an acceptance test, where I was working with high-end technicians, and I got to dive into their B-Solid software, where I got to find what it can really do. And we're also able to produce our first jig and pieces of our first violin on the 5-axis Rover A machine. It was clear to us that Biesse had as much passion about woodworking as we do, which is one of the most important aspects of why we chose Biesse. So it's been three or 4 months now since we got the delivery of the Biesse Rover A. Since that time, we've been able to produce a scroll and a violin top and back and other parts for our violin. One of the best things about B-Solid is the way you can simulate what is actually going to happen on your machine. Just like traditional luthiers who design their own tools for specific parts, we're doing the same here with our automatic tool changer. Going from a V cutter to a 1mm ball cutter, it just really opens up all the doors and allowed us to produce parts that haven't been done on a Biesse machine before, and we're really looking to push the boundaries even further. Our Rover A allows us to produce consistent, quality and customizable parts. After the parts have been machined, they go into assembly, where we do bending, sanding, gluing and varnishing. The instrument can now go in our showroom, where a customer can play in our dedicated testing rooms to see if it's the right instrument for them. Our partnership with Biesse will allow us to bring production back to Australia, where we can focus on quality whilst maintaining a healthy level of output. Coming from a traditional background, myself and the company are thrilled about how far we've come over the last few months. Our CNC has really exceeded all our expectations and is continuing to show how technology and hand craftsmanship can work together seamlessly.